Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is my Samsung dryer again. So this is a short video and hopefully you like this video. If you like the video, please help me out for thumbs up. Comment to share, please leave it below as well. So, alright, so this dryer, as I mentioned, is my replacement for my old dryer, which I purchased. Right? And I'll put the model number in the description and such that if you're interested. So a few pros and cons about this product that I learned after using it. So we used it for a number of weeks already, and you probably could tell, all the lint and everything is going to be on this unit. First of all, the pros. Pro is it looks great and it's more refined. It's not that noisy anymore like the previous model that I used to have. Yes, there's lint. Lint is still everywhere. And, you can never get out all the lint, I guess, right? So that's something that pretty much normal, I guess, with these units. But the lint thing is so much easier. And I had the video on that. If you missed it, I put it at the end of the video if you want to watch the intro. Yes, this is my model over here. Here, so you can zoom in. There it goes. All right. So I'm going to show you a few cons that I learned about this product. And not big cons. There's a way around it, but I wish it was better. And I don't know why they changed the functionality. Okay. Okay, to turn on, doesn't make any difference. Yes, there's no funny button like these I have in my old washer to press. It's a touchscreen, right? And if you were to just turn it on, I say I want my clothes to be dry. The dryness is going to be dry, not like a little moist or anything like that, or a little bit, feels a little bit wet. Then you probably want to do the dryness all the way to the top. Notice that the temperature doesn't go all the way to the top. Also, the time increases, right? Well, that's great and all, but I found out it doesn't really get your clothes really that dry, all right? Oh, and you say, well, what other way can I go around this? Well, move it to heavy duty. Heavy duty, notice the temperature goes all the way to the high, and dry, you can do more, okay? More dry, all right? So that gives you an hour and 16 minutes. Like a little bit more time, to dry. For me, this one kind of works better. And, of course, my wife has another suggestion that she tried is this. Okay, she actually suggests we just use time dry then. It's pretty easy, right? Stop checking the dryness. Cut the temperature and you're going to be a 1 hour dry. That works. And yeah, so that's the other function that we use to dry our clothes. And it's just something to share, a little quirk about this product. And it could be a con, I guess, in particular. Because the old dryer that I had, I probably know that I had that for a long period of time. You just hit it to normal and just hit the start button. It dries. When you finish drying, your clothes will be super dry. You don't have to worry about being dry or sort of dry type of thing. And of course, it depends on your clothes and which ones you want to be super dry or not dry, I guess, right? A little bit dry, a little bit moist, and put it that way. So that's the big thing. There's also a lot of other functions. I don't know where we use those except for the bedding. I never use the sanitize, but it's there. So this one, not as high end as the previous model I used to have. But those are a few things I learned from this product. Hopefully this video is informative and helps you out. He helped me for thumbs up. I appreciate that. Comment to share, please leave it below. And you have some pointers or stuff like that to get it more dry or even other functions. Put it in the comments as well. And I'll see if that helps me. If it does, I'll post a video on it to help others at the same time. Hopefully you liked the video. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.